You're listening to BambinoBabble's story. Once upon a time, in a small village lived a muffin maker named Max. He was known throughout the village for making the most delicious muffins in the land. Every morning, Max would wake up early, put on his apron and head to his bakery to start baking muffins. One day, a little girl named Katie was passing by the bakery and the delicious aroma of fresh muffins caught her attention. She decided to go inside and try some of Max's famous muffins. As soon as she took a bite, she knew she had to have more. She asked Max how he made such delicious muffins, but he just smiled and said it was a secret recipe. Katie was determined to find out Max's secret recipe. So, she asked Max if she could work at his bakery to learn how to make muffins. Max was happy to have an extra pair of hands, so he agreed to let Katie work with him. The first day, Max taught Katie how to mix the batter for the muffins. She was excited to learn and made sure to pay close attention. The next day, Max showed her how to measure the ingredients and how long to bake the muffins. Day by day, Katie learned more and more about baking muffins from Max. One day, Max had to leave the village for a week to visit his family. He trusted Katie to run the bakery while he was away. Katie was excited to show off her skills and baked dozens of muffins every day. But on the third day, disaster struck. She accidentally spilled a whole bag of flour on the kitchen floor. Katie didn't know what to do. She was worried that Max would be upset with her when he returned. But then she remembered something Max had told her: if something goes wrong, just keep calm and think of a solution. Katie took a deep breath and came up with a plan. She decided to use the spilled flour to make a new type of muffin. She added some raisins, cinnamon, and sugar to the flour and mixed it all together. Then she put the mixture in the oven and waited anxiously. When the muffins were done, she took a bite and was pleasantly surprised. They were the most delicious muffins she had ever tasted. She decided to call them Cinnamon Raisin Surprise Muffins. When Max returned, he was impressed with Katie's new creation. He tried the muffins and loved them. He was proud of Katie for using her problem-solving skills and creating something new and delicious. From then on, Max and Katie worked together to make new types of muffins. They created blueberry blast muffins, chocolate chip crunch muffins, and many more. Max's bakery became famous throughout the land for its unique and delicious muffins. And Katie? Well, she became known as the best muffin maker in the village. She even started her own bakery and taught others the secret to making delicious muffins. And whenever anyone asked her how she became so good at making muffins, she would always say, "It all started with a spilled bag of flour."